Still looks about the same outside. But we're ready to go. There you are. Good morning.
Good morning.
I like that color.
I think the scarf came from you, Roberto. I think so.
Good morning, Phil.
David.
How you doing for, well, it's 10 p.m. your time right now.
10 p.m.
Yep.
That's about how things are.
It's bizarre.
It's bizarre. Well, let's go have breakfast at 10 p.m. your time. No, you go ahead and sit up front. You'll have all the questions.
Okay. You know me and my questions.
Yeah. Good morning, I'm David.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you too. Whoa! I should put you in the front, Davey.
No, you're doing great.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Are sound effects allowed?
Yeah, of course.
What?
I said, are sound effects allowed? I can't help them. How many times have you rolled a car?
Never.
Don't say this. Don't say this.
I didn't know I was going on a roller coaster.
How's your spine mobility?
Mine?
It's fine.
Yep.
All that yoga's been helping.
Wild and crazy. Wild and crazy.
Holding on for dear life or just a little support?
Both.
How's this compared to snow plowing your driveway?
About the same.
About the same. We're having fun. How's that run, Jane?
Strong woman.
It gets you breathing.
Get you breathing?
Yeah.
You awake now?
I'm awake.
You've had your coffee, you're
I
awake?
had my coffee, had my mesa?
Your metza?
Or my mezza?
I think so. Had your little jog, had your little run,
Metta?
and you just got shaken awake, right?
I have what?
Shaken awake.
You were a shake and bake.
Shake and bake awake.
I was a shake and bake.
Now you're awake.
Bake awake.
Hot in action.
I heard you were a collected
Well,
family
yeah,
member.
they invited me into the house when I was 16
Oh,
and never
wow.
left. So
That's
is,
family collecting, not just friend collecting.
yeah, very lucky, very lucky. You have a friend now. This guy is the friendliest cat you'll ever see. So,
Okay.
what's your name?
Shaheen.
Shaheen. Hi, Shaheen.
Like this?
Nice to meet you.
Like this?
And there. What is our falcon's name?
Shaheen.
Your name?
Umar.
Umar.
Okay?
Sharfin.
Thank you.
And his name is?
Shaheen.
Shaheen. What does he hunt? Mice?
Yes, yes.
Rabbits?
Rabbits.
Snakes?
Everywhere. No snakes. Just
No
chickens,
snakes.
beef.
Wow.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Umar.
Thank you, sir.
Islama. No charge for me. It's free. but without telling them any price, they just charge them to hold the falcon for 30 seconds each, and then me free. It was 160 dirhams with no explanation of the price. So just be careful out there.
Thank you, Davy.
Thank you.
Where are you from, sir? No.
Where are we from?
Yes.
Petoskey, Michigan.
USA.
USA.
USA, uh-huh.
Welcome, welcome.
Do you feed the birds?
Yes, feeding time. This time feeding time. Coming. You want a picture? This Khalid?
Look right there, it's one.
Welcome to the world in one place. We have over 200 nationalities living over here, which is make this beautiful city as a land of opportunity.
Yeah.
For everybody who would like to come here and invest, people like to come here and work, or even the people who like to be a tourist and just coming here for a couple of weeks or 1 week or something. Because we have a beautiful attractions, which is attracting millions of visitors every year. Between the 1st of September until mid of May, we can say, we are receiving almost approximately over 30 million visitors over here to this magnificent. As we have the Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world, 829 meters height. We have the deepest swimming pool, 60 meters depth. We have the largest Ferris wheel, which is the height is 250 meters. It's located in the Blue Water Island in Dubai Marina. And I can't wait as well to give you like a very nice explanation about the culture. They have a very rich culture. It's not that far, like 1,000 of years, but they made the best and the excellency for everything they do during the 18th century or even before that time. So we have a total of 7 tribes. Every tribes, they became the ruler of the specific areas in Dubai, as we have in United Arab Emirates a total of 7 states. And that 7 states, they became united in 1971. It was a great opportunity. You know, we are 6 people, and I consider myself now I'm a part of the family member. So we are family.
That's right.
So we are not a stranger anymore. All right? Anyways, did you notice something that we have a fresh air here?
Yeah.
And this is how they built the houses. They built the houses in a technique to keep the houses quiet, like next to each other. Okay, by the way, have you noticed something now? The quarter cup.
Uh-huh.
Why they fill up the cup only quarter, not full?
Too hot to hold.
Okay, this is a very good reason. But this is not the main reason. This is the second reason. But the main reason is to reflect the hospitality towards others, to welcome you. Okay, I'll have it. Thank you so much, sir. So this one, it means when you finish fast and ask for more. You're most welcome. If we fill up the cup, it means you drink and go.
Oh.
Go ahead. Salam.
most families in the UAE, they would grow their own palm trees in their homes. It doesn't usually mean you get a good harvest, but even in my household, we have palm trees, date trees to get the harvest from them. But qahwa is the Arabic word for coffee, and this style is called Arabic coffee in English, where you're served in small cups called finyan. The cup itself doesn't have any handle, so you usually just hold it from the top. They're espresso shots, but the coffee itself is not going to be as intense as having an espresso shot, I promise. These are etiquettes that we learn from such young age. I remember seeing it in my grandma's home. I live next to my grandma, so every day I'd have to visit her and I'd see how she serves the guests and how she behaves. But today you're not asked to sit on the floor. You're not asked to eat with your hands unless you want to try. We'll treat this as a buffet. You can come back to it as much times as you like. And I'll explain the food that we have as well. The dish closest to me is called chicken biryani. Biryani, the way prepared in the UAE, it's not spicy, it's not oily, it's more dry, and it has more fragrance, and I would say rather than meat. Usually you marinate the chicken in yogurt, spices, cook it separately, then add saffron rice on top. The next dish, this is veal machbous. Machbous is a Gulf region dish, so you could find it in other regions like Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, and so on. And basically you cook everything in one pot, beginning with the meat, then you add the rice, and the color comes from the turmeric rather than the saffron. After that we have salad, and from the salad onward everything is vegetarian. We have vegetable biryani, plain white rice, which you can have with the salona. Salona is a stew, and this stew is vegetarian, like I mentioned. But usually, traditionally, it would be chicken salona. The last thing we have is the gaymat. This is our dessert. It's deep fried dough, yellow from the inside because of the saffron, and what makes it sweet is the syrup we add on top, date syrup. This is a byproduct when you harvest dates and leave them to ripen, you get the syrup. Very sweet, but it's not added sugar. So in Arabic, when you want your guests to start eating, you tell them bil-afia. Bil-afia means I wish you good health.
Jane, can you tell me about your plate?
Chicken biryani, veal, I can't recall how to call, and vegetarian biryani, and basmati rice with vegetable salona. There is okra.
Ooh, okra.
And courgette, and zucchini, and cauliflower, potatoes, and carrots. And then a salad with lemon juice.
Green salad. What's for dessert?
I'll have to tell you what the name of that is. I can't.
What is that? What would you call that?
With
Cliff?
date syrup. It's
I call it a mystery dessert.
lugamat with date syrup.
Nice.
What is it?
Lugamat.
Yugama?
Lugamat. Dave, you want a water?
No, I'm good. How are you enjoying lunch, Cliff?
Very much.
Very much?
Yeah, this whole room is filled with people chowing down. Beautiful, beautiful food.
I sort of want to try the hand thing, but we'll see how that.
A typical Arabic
How'd you
meal.
do?
I didn't do it yet.
Let's see. That's pretty good. That's that first try. First try with the hand eating rice.
Good job, Jane.
Rue told me to put it in your hand and then ball it up.
Yeah,
So you ball it into your hand.
no, I haven't quite got there yet. Okay.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay,
I'm gonna try
okay.
it. We'll see. Oh, yeah, like that. I think that's. Yeah, then you make it into a ball. Good fun.
Often it depends on your employer. That's actually a really interesting question. What happens if you have someone who's different than the rest? Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ro. That was amazing. What are we going to do this afternoon?
Well, I would love to go to the Dubai Mall and see that aquarium.
Cliff, are you good with that plan?
I heard part of it. As long as Jane heard it, that's all I care about.